principal, guests, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Mola Sheikh from EPS Grade 7. I am proud to speak on Independence Day. India celebrates Independence Day every year on 15th August. Exactly 74 years ago, that is 15th August 1947, our country got freedom from the British's rule. After independence, we got our own constitution and are able to enjoy our fundamental rights. We should all be proud to be an Indian and should not forget the sacrifices of our freedom fighters like Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad are a few great souls to name. They fought to make India free from the colonial rule of Britishers. We should remember the teachings of our great leaders like Gandhiji's non-violence philosophy and should follow it in our lives. On this auspicious day, our dear Prime Minister Narendra Modi unfurls the national flag at the Red Fort, New Delhi, and the national anthem is recited. Citizens celebrate this day by remembering freedom fighters with full energy, dedication, and love for the country. Schools and colleges celebrate this day by organizing dances, choruses, and speeches. Let's work together on the footprints of our great leaders and create an incredible and prosperous India. Jai Hind!
Good morning everyone, I'm Ashwini Patil from 10th Standard. Independence, to me, is a condition or state of a mind. It is a feeling of being strong, of being competent and not under the control or negative influence of others. We as individuals have to inculcate this kind of competency in every Indian so that we can call our nation independent. Yes, we are a free nation, free from the clutches of the British. But our nation is still a prisoner in the clutches of our own politicians, of our own social system, our own religious battles. We should not use freedom as a right to do what we please, rather as an opportunity to do what is right. Let us celebrate independence by promising to build a nation which can boost to be a pioneer of human rights culture, where every individual can live with respect, dignity and equality, where there is no poverty, where women can walk the streets without the fear of being teased or raped, where parents can send their kids to school without the fear of them being physically or mentally abused. Thank you. A very happy Independence Day.
बधाई हो, क्या हुआ है?
बेटी हुई है।
घर में लक्ष्मी आई है।
बेटी का क्या करना है? बेटी तो बोझ है।
हम अपनी बेटी को लिखाएंगे, पढ़ाएंगे।
बेटी को पढ़ा के अपना पैसा बर्बाद क्यों कर रहे हो? बेटी तो पराया धन ही है, आज न कल वो चली जाएगी।
मैं अपनी बेटी को इतना काबिल बनाऊंगा कि वो पूरे देश का नाम रोशन करे।
बेटियों ने तो देश के नाम रोशन किए है। देखिए जैसे कि इंदिरा गांधी, सरोजिनी नायडू और करण बेदी।
हाँ, बेटियां ही तो भारत की ओलंपिक की शान है। बेटी है तो कल है। बेटी पढ़ाओ, बेटी बचाओ।
सेव द गर्ल चाइल्ड। बेटी पढ़ाओ, बेटी बचाओ।
Presenting to you a skit on the theme Respect Women. ओहो, नई चप्पल।
चाहिए क्या?
Respect women.
Bringing to you a skit on the theme Respect all religion.
क्या आप आवाज बंद कर सकते हैं? अपनी आवाज चाल दो।
हम क्यों आवाज बंद करें? हम नाचेंगे।
प्लीज थोड़ी देर के लिए बंद कर दीजिए।
तुम हमें मत बोलो।
Though we are facing a lot of challenges in fight these issues, we are grateful that we are blessed to have some amazing educationists, industrialists, and social activists who have helped us in the development of our country.
Good morning everyone. I am Sunita Kasankar from class 9. I am going to tell about Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi is a retired police officer and a social activist and a tennis player who was the 24th Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. She is the first Indian female to become an officer in the police service and started her service in 1972. She was born into a wealthy Peshwarai family in Amritsar. She was Deputy Commissioner of Traffic during the 9th Asian Games. She introduced many strict measures in traffic regulation and enforcement. She earned the nickname Crane Beti. During this tenure, the extensive use of crane to tow wrongly parked cars, which did not spare even the car of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Kiran Bedi is an icon to look up to. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Asma Sheikh from class 9. I am talking about Kriti Bharti. Kriti Bharti is a social activist who works for abolishing the practice of child marriages in India and for providing social justice to women. She is the founder of Sarthi Trust, an organization that works mainly for annulment of child marriages, providing counseling to children and their families, and rehabilitating the victims of child marriages. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Oshan Dhakal. I am from class 10. I am going to talk about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India, having born in a humble family. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sold newspapers to make ends meet. He is a real source of inspiration for people to achieve in spite of having born in a backward areas with humble beginnings. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is one of the best examples in the world for that rags to riches stories. And here when we say riches, it means the richness of knowledge. His birthday is celebrated as the World Students' Day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Amisha from class 10. I am going to tell you about J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. Tata was an Indian aviator, industrialist, entrepreneur and chairman of the Tata Group. Born into the Tata family of India, he was the founder of the Tata Motors, Air India, Tata Consultancy Services, Indian Airlines and more industries. Under his guidance, many institutes were established to promote scientific, medical and artistic endeavors in India. He received a number of prestigious awards including the Padma Vibhushan and the Bharat Ratna. Thank you.
Now the students of class 10 will perform a short dance.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन
एक दिन, ओ मन में है विश्वास।
and Poonam Miss, dear teachers and my dear friends, my heartfelt wishes for this 74th Independence Day. Probably here there is hardly anyone who woke up on the midnight of 15 August 1947 to hear Indian tryst with destiny. And on 15 August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above the Lahori Gate, Red Fort in Delhi. Some freedom fighters who fought for us and we got independence are Bhagat Singh, Jhansi Ki Rani, Savitribai Phule and Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Respected Sir, Poonam Miss, Harbinder Miss, and my dear teachers, we present you the play Bharat Chhoro. 1000 years ago, India was called the Golden Bird because of its rich culture and trading with other countries. Song by Akash Hassan, Gayatri and Kavita. Jaha Dal Dal Par Sone Ki Chudiya.
सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जय भारती, जय भारती, जय भारती, जय भारती।
How much is the silk for? 2 gold coins. Please give me green color. Yes. How much is the pepper for? 2 gold coins. Please give me 1 pouch of it.
Hey young lady, how much is the silk for?
2 gold coins.
I want it free.
No, sorry.
Just take it, don't ask her.
अरे ले लो, उसको क्या पूछते हो? अभी छीन लो उसके हाथों से।
ये लड़की दे दे, नहीं तो बहुत पछताएगी।
नहीं।
Who are you?
I am Bhagat Singh. दिल से निकलेगी ना मरकर ए वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबू ए वतन आएगी।
I am Jhansi Ki Rani. If I fought and killed in the field of battle, we should earn our eternal glory and salvation.
ये कौन है?
I am Jijabai. Shahaji Bhushal referred to as Rajmata, Jijabai or Jija. I am the proud mother of Shivaji, founder of the Maratha Empire. I violently faced the shock of my father's murder in the open court of Nizam Shah. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
ये कौन है?
I am Sarojini Naidu. Friends, I come here from thousands of miles as an ambassador in very Asian country.
My name is Wal. I am an army man और मैं इन सबको देख लूँगा।
Respect all soldiers from all countries as they all serve us, creating history.
I am Jawaharlal Nehru. At the stroke of 12 midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
भारत छोड़ो, भारत छोड़ो, भारत छोड़ो, भारत छोड़ो. Leave India, leave India, leave India, leave India.
यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है. ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है. जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना. यारबाज हम, चालसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार